we've been driving. Okay, got the brakes figured out. I never messed with anything on the rear brakes. But I noticed when I was doing the pedal bleeding the front that the rod on the rear master cylinder was moving a lot easier than the one for the front master cylinder. So I opened up the reservoir. It was empty. I checked the back and found this bleed screw. So apparently that thing's been leaking for a bit. I don't know how long. I never saw anything on the floor. But I guess over the winter, not really driving this thing while I had the Colt and stuff, it made it not want to work. And I got the car washed. It's been a few days since I went over the clear. And today I'm going to buff it. So be using some Chemical Guys stuff here. And we'll see how it goes. Front end and the roof are done. We're doing this real fast and dirty. Just trying to get a little more uniform look in the paint, a little more gloss. Not trying to go crazy. Remember, this thing's got house paint on it. I've painted it with all kinds of spray cans. There's only as good as it's gonna get. So, like I said, real fast and dirty on this. Passenger side is done. Rear lid is done. It's turning out pretty good. Just got the driver's side to do now. I'm done. It's not bad. It's not great, but it is also not bad from 10 feet away. I can deal with it. It's good enough for this car. All the other things with this car, this will work. Still need to vacuum the interior, clean that up, try and drive it a little more. And we've got a big purist British car show this weekend. They should love this.